we go. I got another video for you guys showing you guys how to replace the speedo, the cluster itself. Alright, so there's other reasons to do this also, to replace the speedo. Like if your temperature gauge isn't showing on the dash, if your temperature gauge isn't showing, that means you need to replace this whole cluster. That's what I was told from the manufacturer, that you have to replace this whole speedo. Right now I'm just showing you the process in case your gauges stop working, or you want to replace this with a different one, or maybe you want to wire up a type S speedo instead, or maybe you want to just take it out to change the bezel in the inside and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys a tutorial showing you guys how to get to the bolts and everything and pop it out. So basically what I did was I just grabbed it from like down here. You can use like a little flathead or whatever, and just you can pop this out here and like lift it and push it forward, and then this piece will come out. But you have to be careful because these buttons here, like these are the buttons that for the brightness for the speedo. So basically what this is, this tab is pressed into this socket. So all you have to do is like press down on this tab and then just slide it out backwards and it'll come right out. And then there's another one on this side for the option select and info on the information screen here. There's another connector on this side. It's the same as the other side. You just press on the tab here on the side and just slide it out. See, it's like right now it's snapped in. Right now I'm pressing on the opposite side, which is right here. This is the opposite side, and then you just lift and pull out, and then this bezel comes out. So this is disconnected, so then you're on to the next part. Now the next part is, there's gonna be one screw here, right? There's gonna be one screw here also that you take out. There's gonna be one screw up top here and one screw up top here. So you just back out those 3 screws. Make sure you separate the ones from the bottom. So it's just the ones that goes on the bottom, the 1 and 2, right? And then there's another 2 that sits up top. These are the 2 up top. So what I did was I separated the 2 up top to the 2 on bottom. So so you can basically tell the difference between what is what. So this is what it looks like without the bezel in the car. Okay, so then now you, like I said, just going over this just to make sure you guys got it. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. What I use is a small screwdriver like this to get the ones on the top here. Stubby screwdriver, right? And then I use the long screwdriver to get out these on the side here. And in order to do this, you do have to drop the steering wheel. So you just pull this lever down and the steering wheel will drop. So you have enough space to access to get to back here. Okay, so now once you get that bezel out and you take out those screws, you just tilt the speedo forward, right? So when you tilt the speedo forward, it'll be connected with 2 connectors on it. Sits right into it. Doesn't really come too far out, so you'd have to pop it out here, but it's just going to be right here, and it's going to be like a little tab on the top. So I already took them out. There's gonna be one tab here and another one right here on this side that you have to take out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide this bezel out to the side here, take it out, because I already unplugged everything. Okay, so this is the Speedo taken out. This is the top. This is the back to where the connectors sit. So one connector is going to sit here, and one connector is going to sit here. So I'll put the Speedo to the side. Okay. Now this is the one. This is the white connector. What the white connector? What you'll be doing is pressing down on this. You can't really see it too well. Hold me focus on it. On this tab right here, not the top here, but the middle. You'll be pressing down on the middle, and then you pull it and slide it back out of this socket right here. So I'm gonna go over that again. You don't press the top, you press the tab here. Press that down, pull it out, and slide it out. Okay, now there's another one here. This is the big green one. All you have to do is press on the tab here. It lifts, unlocks, and you slide it out. That's the one that's gonna go here. That's which one is gonna be on. It's gonna be on this side, on the left side, and then the white one is gonna be on the right side. Okay, so with this one, you just press on the tab here. And then slide it out. It might be a little difficult, but just pull on as much as you can and it'll come right out. And that's it. That's how you replace the speedometer on the car, on the Acura TL. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Like I said, you would want to change it, especially if the gauges stop working or the temperature gauge stops working. They say to replace this unit in order to get the gauge working again when you have the lines on your Speedo. Okay. There is another reason that you, like I said, that you can take this out is if they have on Amazon, it's like you can change the color of the lights in the back. Instead of it being the stock color, you could always open the bezel, you know, just push these tabs back. Push these tabs back in the back here. They have them all around. These little tabs, you just push them back. And then this white plastic cover should come off. And you can change the bezel and stuff. Also here, this comes off too. You just push these tabs down. And then the whole housing front here, on the front here, the whole housing front will come off. So you can access it, so you can change the color of it and stuff like that. Because I know a couple people asked me, they was like, oh, can you change the color of the gauges and different things like that? Yeah, you can. There is an eBay kit where it actually comes with the gauges, so it can actually change the colors and make it look different. I'll put a link for that in the description if you guys are interested. I don't think I've seen them on Amazon. I think I've seen them on eBay, but I'll still, if I find them for Amazon, I'll put the link in the description anyway, in the description of the video. So right now you just, you know, reinstall everything in the same way, the same order that you that you taken everything out. So basically, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna show the video once I put everything back. I'll catch back the video to show you guys everything's working properly and everything's good to go. Alright, I'm just here to show you guys that everything is working good. The gauges are in. Everything's good to go. All the buttons work. Okay. So the brightness. Gonna lower down the brightness. Everything's good to go. 111 now on the dash, and the temperature outside is 83 degrees. So mine's is working perfectly fine. Alright, just wanted to show you guys that everything was good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.